Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Hemant Rathod. I'm a PhD in engineering from American University known as Texas A&M University. I'm starting a new educational video series for class 11th and 12th students. Initially, I'll focus on creating a video series for Maharashtra State Board syllabus for both the board and MHTCET. Down the line, I'll also make video series for NCERT and IIT-JEE. My videos will focus on mathematics, physics, and chemistry for class 11th and 12th. Let me give you a quick background of myself. I grew up in Nagpur region of Maharashtra, and I did engineering from College of Engineering Pune, which is currently known as CUEP Technological University. And then I did masters from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. There I studied material science and engineering, and then I moved to US for a PhD. I did PhD from Texas A&M University in the Department of Material Science and Engineering. Currently, I'm working at Intel, which makes advanced semiconductor chips, the chips which are there in your laptops. Apart from being an engineer and making advanced materials, I also like teaching, and my passion for teaching goes back to days when I was in class 11th and 12th, wherein I always felt the lack of quality educational materials or quality resources where I can understand the concepts in more detail. So I struggled while studying. But from the same experience, I want to create a video wherein people can get help of the concepts and the problem solving. So my idea is to create conceptual videos based on the syllabus for MHTCET, IIT-JEE, for mathematics, physics, and chemistry. And I also want to teach how we can use those concepts in solving the problems. I've seen since my time that we focus more on solving the problems. Now, while we get good at getting the marks and getting competitive, but down the line it backfires. If we want to do some creative work or do a deeper research, we not only need a problem solving capability, but we also need in-depth understanding of the science itself. So my focus would be on making the videos which can help students understand the science, the maths, the physics, the chemistry, and then apply those concepts in problem solving. I'm on this journey of making videos. I hope these videos help you in every corner of India. I'll be teaching these videos in both Hindi and English so that I can reach more people and more students. And I want to keep this educational video series free for everyone. And I'll be open for discussion with students if they need more help. See you on this journey. Thank you, everyone.